then, and PM Modi inaugurated the Bharat Tex 2024, one of India's largest ever global textile events, to put a spotlight on India's rich textile heritage. Addressing the event, the PM promised to support the textile sector in the coming years. He also added that India's textile market valuation has nearly doubled to 12 lakh crore from 7 lakh crore rupees back in 2014. Let's go across and listen in to what he had to say, and also listen into this exclusive conversation with Union Textile Minister Piyush Goyal.
विकसित भारत के 4 प्रमुख स्तंभ हैं गरीब, युवा, किसान और महिलाएं। और भारत का टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर इन चारों यानी गरीब, युवा, किसान और महिलाएं सभी से जुड़ा हुआ है। इसलिए भारत टैक्स ऐसे इस आयोजन का महत्व बहुत बढ़ जाता है। साथियों, विकसित भारत के निर्माण में टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर का योगदान और बढ़ाने के लिए हम बहुत विस्तृत दायरे में काम कर रहे हैं। हम ट्रेडिशन, टेक्नोलॉजी, टैलेंट और ट्रेनिंग पर फोकस कर रहे हैं।
Undoubtedly, what you can see at Bharat Tex shows you the strength, the vibrancy, and the confidence of an industry which is now going to go out there, capture international markets. We just had an engagement with world CEOs of the textile sector. We are raring to go, and we'll be $100 billion by 2030.
And 5F vision, that is Prime Minister's vision of 5F.
Prime Minister has really encouraged the whole industry to work on one platform, bring all the sectors from farm to fiber to factory to fashion and exports foreign, working as a team and breaking the silos which have existed for so many years. And we are very, very encouraged with Prime Minister Modi's guidance this morning. I can assure you that every single stakeholder of this sector is completely looking at a transformed sector, is wanting to be a part of the growth engine that India has become.